Okay, girls, it is wash day, and today we are going to start covering up these grays. I have grays just throughout. They're just strands right now, but I can't keep plucking these out. Look, you know what I'm saying? I can't keep plucking these out. So, look, there's more. So, I am a low maintenance girly. I go to the salon to get regular trims and a wash, but I don't necessarily have to cover the gray because, but it's like when I do have my hair out for my wash and goes, I do want to have all one color. This low maintenance girly is looking for something that can cover the gray quickly and easy to apply. So what I do, my mama is a hairstylist, a professional hairstylist. She has been doing hair for 20 years, maybe even longer than that. And I went out to her and I said, Ma, I can't be plucking these gray. I won't have any hair left. So she said, I got you. I've been using this product in my salon on my clients. Everyone loves it. It's super easy to apply. And I think this is what you need. Here we go. This is it. This is the dye shampoo in black because I'm just not doing, obviously I'm going to stay with my natural hair color. 5 minutes. It's stating that it's going to cover white hair. Now you see this woman. I'm not there yet, but look at her here. This is what I need. So some of the advantages this product is stating that it'll do. It says it has 7 advantages. It's a plant formula product, shampoo and hair dye, easy coloring, non-stick scalp, no hair loss. We don't need that. No dirty color and no fake color. This is a lot. They are claiming a lot. My question is, how long it's going to last? I don't know. We're going to try it out for the first time together, and I'll come back with results. But I'm going to take you through the process, and we're going to see. We're going to see if this actually does what it's supposed to do. Because, like I said, I don't have a lot of gray hairs, but I do want to cover up the ones that I have. All right, let's open up the box. Oh, it comes with gloves. That is good, because I was like, I'm going to have to go out and get gloves. Okay, so here's the product in the bottle. Pretty small, but I guess it'll work. And then the gloves, pair of gloves. So my mama said that I should apply it on dry hair. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna part this in 4 and then work in the product that way. How that works. So let me go part this in 4 and come back. Okay, we're gonna start with this section first. And what I'm going to do is put on the supplied gloves that comes in the box because you have to protect your hands from the dye. You don't want no black hands, fingers walking around here. The nozzle has 2 openings. One is going to be a clear substance, and then I guess the other is the dye. So I think the clear substance is the shampoo, and then the other side will be the dye. So we'll see. This is what it looks like coming out of the bottle. You see the clear and you see some of that brown. Assuming that's the dye, and we're going to just go in and apply. She said just rub it in. She said just rub it in, child. And we're going to go here. So as you can see, there's like no dye on my hands, but I noticed that you see like there's some dye here on the side on my face. I'm just gonna wipe that off. But that's crazy how it's not on my hands or on the gloves, but I could see it around the perimeter of my hair on my head. So I'm working in this section. This is how it's looking so far. I can't tell a difference. But we will go on to the next section. I think I've covered this section as much as I can, but again, oh, back here. Let's get that. Back there. Product does state that if you want the dye to be darker, you can let it stay on longer. So I'm working these in, and we'll see. There was one gray right in the front right here. One. I get you. I get you. So the consistency of this is pretty thick. I don't know if you can tell. It's pretty thick. So that's good. Again, it doesn't smell harsh, like harsh chemically smells. I don't smell that. I should mention that this is, they claim this is a coconut dye shampoo. So there's some benefits of coconut in it for moisturization. So far, again, it's an easy application. I'm not having a hard time, and I'm just taking my time working it all through. Okay, so we're here. They say, like I said, you can keep it in longer than the 5 to make sure the grays are all saturated. I'm just going to do the front. I'm going to let it sit for just another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse, and I'll be back. My usual is wash, sit under the cap with conditioner in for about 20 minutes and wash out. So we'll see what it looks like after doing all that. I've already washed out the product. And when I was washing it out, I didn't see a lot of like color coming out, which was strange, but this is new. And so I don't have any running. I don't, sometimes when you put the what is the rinse in, you sometimes get a run. I don't have any running, so that's also a plus. So we'll let this sit for 20 minutes, and then we will come back freshly washed, freshly conditioned, and I'll show you the results. Okay, here is the moment of truth. I already see that the one gray that was sitting right here, it's gone. I already see that. She's gone. Let's just pull it off. Here. The gray is gone. Oh, oh. Gray that I had, the 2 grays, the grays that were here, gone. I see nothing. It's like they are gone. They are gone. Wow. 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 Now, the question is, how long will this last? Final look. We'll see how long this lasts. But I have to say, my final thoughts on the dye shampoo. It's giving 8 out of 10. Actually, 9 out of 10. We'll see how long it lasts and if it can get a perfect score, because honestly, I love the convenience of it, and I love that I was able to apply it super easy. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. What y'all think? All right. Bye. Okay guys, so by this time I've already had the dye shampoo in my hair for about 2 weeks. It lasted about the 2 weeks, about 2-3 washes, which I would say is an actual plus, so definitely recommend. Thanks for watching, friend, and make sure you follow me on YouTube, stylishlypristine.com.